Welcome to an architectural deep dive into PROFIBUS, the world's leading field bus for industrial automation. With over 64 million installed nodes, PROFIBUS is the leading field bus for industrial automation on the world market. It is a universally usable, open, and rugged field bus system. The PROFIBUS ecosystem can be thought of as a book. PROFIBUS DP, or Decentralized Peripheral, is the core, providing the foundation for fast, efficient factory automation. Chapters built on this foundation include PROFIBUS PA for process automation, PROFISAFE for safety-critical applications, and PROFIDRIVE for high-speed drive applications. PROFIBUS operates using a hybrid master-slave protocol with token ring access for multiple masters. This mechanism allows a master to control the bus only when it holds the token. The protocol also includes built-in reliability and integrated diagnostics for enhanced system performance. The two main pillars of PROFIBUS are DP and PA. PROFIBUS DP is lean and fast, optimized for high-speed factory automation. PROFIBUS PA is safe and robust, designed for process automation, especially in hazardous locations. PROFIBUS DP uses the -485 rupees physical layer with shielded twisted pair cabling. It supports transmission speeds up to 12 megabits per second. Devices are limited to 32 per segment, or 126 with repeaters. Masters are categorized as Class 1 for real-time communication, or Class 2 for configuration and diagnostics. PROFIBUS PA implements intrinsic safety for process automation. The traditional containment method is replaced by intrinsic safety, which limits the power sent into hazardous areas, preventing sparks or thermal events. This eliminates the need for expensive conduits and explosion-proof seals. The PROFIBUS PA network is flexible and robust. It supports bus, star, and tree topologies using the Manchester Encoded Bus Power, or MBP technology. Total segment length cannot exceed 1,900 meters. The MBPIS physical layer offers excellent noise immunity, making it highly reliable. PROFIBUS profiles simplify integration by standardizing entire instrument functions, not just inputs and outputs. A typical 5-byte packet includes 4 bytes for the process variable and a 5th status byte indicating the value's quality. This significantly lowers integration time compared to non-standardized protocols. PROFIBUS offers tangible advantages across every project phase. Installation benefits include reduced wiring and material savings. Commissioning allows for easy setup of many devices and remote diagnostics. Maintenance is enhanced with predictive functions and simple plug-and-play device replacement. PROFIBUS is a proven foundation for modern industrial automation. It merges the trusted performance of the 4 to 20 milliampere standard with field bus benefits. This provides a strong, scalable, and standardized communication system that enhances efficiency, reduces costs, and improves safety. Its widespread adoption secures its role as an essential pillar of industrial operations.